going on, guys? Out here in the water today with my boy Rich up there. See him in his kayak. We're fishing downtown Jacksonville, looking for structure, and the main target species will be flounder. Only brought one camera today, so there won't be a lot of great footage, but I might be able to make a small video out of it if I catch some fish. So stay tuned and let's see what we get into. I'm throwing my usual EyeStrike jig head with the curly tail grub. Flounder love this, and if there's some around, we're definitely going to hook up. Oh, lost it, dude. Flounder. Flounder? Yeah. Whoa, look at that. He's sitting right there. Super shallow right here. Fish on, guys. Fish on. There it goes. What is it? Oh. Little flounder, little baby. I'm looking for the big ones. This is a baby. Rich with a keeper. 15 inches. Hold it up, Rich.
Is that
Hell yeah, Rich.
That's 22.
Rich is hooked up. Let's go see what he got. Good size? That's a keeper. Rich on his way to a slam. Picked up. Net malfunction. Rich haven't fished since wintertime, guys. It's kind of rusty. Fish on, guys. It's a flounder. Hit it pretty hard. It might be a big one. Feels heavy. There he goes. Oh. Not bad, not bad. Oh. Let's measure them up. 14 and a half, but not keeping fish today. There he goes. Fish on, guys, fish on. What is it, trout? Trout. Trout right there, Rich. You need your slam. Check that out, guys. Let him go.